Imagine flying a tiny helicopter on a planet with an atmosphere only 1% as dense as Earth's. Well, NASA did it. Meet Ingenuity, the first aircraft to ever take powered flight on another planet. This little helicopter made history on April 19, 2021 on Mars. But how did it get there? How did it fly in such an extreme condition? And what does this mean for the future of space exploration? Now, let's dive in. Ingenuity was a small, lightweight, experimental helicopter, not bigger than a shoebox. It traveled to Mars abroad on Perseverance rover, which landed in Jezero crater in February 2021. Once Perseverance found a flat spot, it carefully deployed Ingenuity onto the Martian surface, standing it upright and powering it with sunlight through its small solar panel. But flying on Mars isn't like flying on Earth. Mars air is incredibly thin. It's like flying at 10,000 feet here on Earth, which no helicopter has ever done. Plus, the gravity is only 38% of Earth's. This helps, but it doesn't make it easy. To overcome the challenge, Ingenuity had to spin its rotor blades 5 times faster than a regular helicopter at nearly 2,400 revolutions per minute. It also had to weigh less than 2 kilograms, about 4 pounds, while still carrying computer sensors and communication systems. There was no joystick, no pilot. All flight instructions were sent from over 290 million kilometers away. Because of the delay in signals between Earth and Mars, Ingenuity had to fly itself using onboard AI and sensors. On April 19, 2021, it lifted off. It rose to a height of 3 meters, around 10 feet, hovering for 30 seconds and safely landed. That short flight lasted just 39 seconds, but it changed history forever. Originally, NASA planned just 5 flights, but Ingenuity kept going. It soared across Mars' dusty plains, helping scout paths for the Perseverance rover. It flew over 70 times, capturing images and data from air that would be impossible to gather from the ground. It flew over sand dunes, rock terrain, and even through dust storms, surviving freeze Martian nights and pushing its tiny rotors to the limit. Every flight tested the limits of engineering and science. Ingenuity became more than just a tech demo. It became a scout, a trailblazer, and a symbol of innovation. In January 2024, after nearly 3 years of incredible service, Ingenuity made its final flight. Its rotor blade was damaged during landing, and NASA decided to officially retire the helicopter. Subscribe for more amazing space science stories and engineering content. Until next time, keep your eyes open for the skies.